Today we're gonna make these Smurfs cupcakes. Keep watching. The first thing we need to do is make our cupcakes. Now I'm using a cake box mix because it's not really about the cupcakes for this recipe. It's more about the decorating. So that's why I'm going that route. If you have your favorite cupcake recipe, make that. It'll be fine. So just follow the directions on the box. Next, we're just gonna fill our cupcake liners about half full with our batter. Now just bake it according to the directions on the box. Okay, after 20 minutes, take it out of the oven and let them cool down completely. Next up, we're gonna make homemade buttercream frosting. To do that, I have 2 sticks of butter. That's 1 cup. That's softened at room temperature. Stick that into a stand mixer. You can use a hand mixer, but it will take a little bit of time. We're gonna use our paddle attachment to our stand mixer and mix it up until that color turns more of a whiter color. All right, so at this stage, you can see it's mixing for a while. What we're gonna do is add in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna slowly incorporate 1 cup at a time some powdered sugar. Slowly mix it in. All right, it looks pretty good. When our frosting's all done, we gotta divide this into 3 separate bowls. One of those bowls are gonna remain white, so we're gonna put some in there, some in our other bowl, which we're gonna turn blue, and we're gonna put a very small amount in this little bowl. That's gonna be red for Papa Smurf. First, let's color our red amount. Mix that in really good. Next, our blue. And of course, we're keeping one of them with just the white, no color at all. And just fill our piping bags with the colors. Our cupcakes have cooled down and our frosting's in our bag. What I'm gonna do now is frost our cupcakes. And we're gonna start with the blue because that's what color Smurfs are, right? They're blue. We have 1 red one and 2 blue papers, and the red one's gonna be Papa Smurf. I cut a large opening in the bag because I want the design to expand a bit. And let's see how it works. Let's start with one of our regular Smurfs. And I'm gonna go around the outside and just make it nice and thick. Just like so. And we're gonna do the other ones kind of the same way. Because I wanna flatten this down a little bit, I'm gonna take an offset spatula and just make it so it's all even. And I'm really worried about one side being better looking than the other, and I'll show you why in just a moment. Okay, now that we got the blue on there, what we're gonna do is the white only on 2 of these, not Papa Smurf, but the other 2. That's gonna be their hats. And I'm gonna kind of keep them back a bit, fill it in, and just kind of pipe it out a little bit like that. And we're gonna put these 2 edible eyeballs really close together, right underneath the hat. And right between there, I'm gonna pipe out their nose, which they have a nice big nose, and their ears. And if your frosting is not thick enough, you'll know it at this point. There's one. So Papa Smurf has a red hat. I'm gonna do my best to pipe them. I didn't leave a lot of red here, so hopefully it'll turn out. Papa Smurf's eye up there really tight to his hat. Pipe on the nose. His ears. Papa Smurf has a beard, so let's give him a beard. Pretty good. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these Smurfs cupcakes. This is really fun to make. If you make them, please let me know in the comments below. Also, check out this video right here. And until next time, I'll see you then. Paddle attachment on the stand mixer. And we're going to use our paddle attachment